Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann. We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it.
So what you see here is we decided to enclose the garage for the winter. Two reasons. One would be for the well water, which is coming into the garage system, and the second part would be the electricity, which is starting to come in the next week or two. What you see now is me and my brother. Thank you, Glenn, again for helping me with the beams that go across the garage area, which is actually going to be a mezzanine floor. It's a tedious process, up and down a couple of times, because we've got to adjust every cut. Every beam is different.
This is also week 4 of our build,
Yes.
which means that we're actually moving quite well and fast, considering we're only 2 or 3 workers at a time.
Correct. Correct. So the snow is coming very fast. In fact, by the time we're installing these beams, they announced that the snow would be here in 2 days. So this is the first day of the beams. The second day we ended up, you'll see in the pictures, putting up the planks that cover the garage.
And then the following day it snowed.
It snowed, so we were right on the money.
We just made it to cover it up. You're seeing the cuts that he's made, and there you can see the timber on top. The planks are on top of the timber, and so is a tarp to prevent any leaks. And there you see an image of the drone, and thank you for watching.